Your kidneys work all day and all night, quietly filtering your blood, balancing minerals, and clearing the waste your body produces with every breath, step, and meal. When creatinine creeps up and estimated GFR ticks down, it's easy to feel powerless. But small, consistent morning habits can meaningfully support kidney health, especially when they improve hydration, blood pressure, inflammation, and metabolic stress. Today, I'll show you 5 simple morning practices you can stack in under 30 minutes. They're not miracle cures, and they don't replace your clinician's plan, but they're practical, evidence-informed changes that help the kidneys do what they're built to do. First, 2 quick clarifications. 1. Creatinine is a byproduct of normal muscle and protein metabolism. It's filtered by the kidneys, so it helps us estimate kidney function, but it can also shift with hydration status, muscle mass, and medications. 2. GFR is an estimate, not a perfect measure. Day-to-day swings can reflect hydration and hemodynamics as much as structural kidney change. So our goal isn't a magical number, it's better daily conditions for kidney work. Steady blood flow, sensible sodium and potassium, lower stress signaling, and consistent movement. Habit 1. Hydration on waking. Within 15 minutes of getting up, drink a glass of room temperature water, about 250 to 500 milliliters, before coffee, emails, or breakfast. Overnight, we all drift toward relative dehydration. Blood becomes more concentrated, which can transiently raise creatinine and make filtration feel harder. Morning water helps reopen the plumbing. It supports the kidney's job of moving waste into urine and helps blood vessels stay open, so oxygen and nutrients actually reach the filters. Room temperature is comfortable and easy to drink quickly. If you prefer warm, that's fine too. Consistency matters more than temperature. Severe or repeated dehydration harms kidneys over time, so this is a small daily insurance policy. If your clinician has you on a fluid restriction, follow that limit, but take your first allotted glass early. There's also encouraging evidence that bundled lifestyle changes, hydration among them, can lower serum creatinine on average. A 2023 meta-analysis of lifestyle interventions in CKD reported a mean creatinine reduction around 0.43 milligrams per deciliter, along with improvements in albuminuria and blood pressure. That doesn't mean everyone will see that exact number, but it reinforces that daily habits matter. Habit 2. Gentle movement to wake renal blood flow. After your water, spend 5 to 15 minutes moving. No boot camps required. Think cat-cow, hip hinges, ankle pumps, an easy walk, or a short yoga flow. The aim is to nudge heart rate, loosen the thoracolumbar area where the kidneys sit, and improve microcirculation. Regular physical activity is consistently associated with lower risk of developing CKD and better blood pressure control. Even at gentle intensities, movement improves vascular tone and insulin sensitivity, 2 big levers for kidney health. If you live with pain or mobility limits, chair-based sequences count. Start small and add a minute each week. Habit 3. Kidney Smart Breakfast Design. What you eat in the first hour sets your hemodynamic and metabolic tone for the day. The general template for early-stage CKD or at-risk adults: prioritize whole foods, keep sodium low, and choose proteins and fruits that fit your labs. Keep sodium modest. Many guidelines suggest aiming below approximately 2 grams sodium per day, approximately 5 grams salt, which helps blood pressure, a direct protector of kidney function. Morning is a great time to bank a low-sodium meal. Skip salty breads, processed meats, and spreads. Choose unsalted options. Read labels. Healthy-looking cereals and breads can hide 150 to 300 milligrams sodium per serving. KDIGO. Choose the right protein for you. Egg whites are a handy option because they provide high-quality protein with far less phosphorus than yolks. Useful if your phosphorus runs high. Greek yogurt can work if your clinician hasn't advised limits. Pair with fruit and check the sodium line. If you're on a specific protein prescription, KDOQI guidance varies by CKD stage. Follow your dietitian's target. Go colorful with berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and similar berries offer polyphenols with modest potassium and carbohydrate load compared with many tropical fruits. Add a spoon of chia or ground flax for fiber. Great for metabolic health. Potassium needs are individualized. Some people in early stages don't need restriction, others do. If your potassium tends to rise, favor lower potassium fruit like berries, grapes, or apples, and review a low potassium list with your dietitian. A simple plate might be scrambled egg whites with sautéed spinach, portion-controlled if potassium is restricted, a small bowl of mixed berries, and truly low-sodium whole-grain toast, or Greek yogurt with berries and chia. The objective isn't a fad diet, it's steady energy, less sodium, and lab-informed choices about potassium and phosphorus. Habit 4. 5 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing. Stress hormones constrict the tiny vessels inside your kidneys. A brief bout of slow belly-led breathing flips the body from fight or flight toward rest and digest, gently lowering heart rate and blood pressure and improving vascular tone. Try this. Seated, one hand on chest, one on belly. Inhale through the nose for 4 counts. Belly rises. Hold 2 to 4. Exhale through pursed lips for 6 to 8. Repeat for 5 minutes. Systematic reviews show slow, diaphragmatic breathing produces modest, meaningful reductions in blood pressure and heart rate, small changes that compound over months for the kidney's benefit. Habit 5. Be intentional with caffeine. Coffee in moderation is generally safe for most people and may even correlate with lower CKD risk in population studies. But timing and individual context matter. If your blood pressure runs high or your clinician has advised caution, consider delaying your first caffeinated drink 60 to 90 minutes after waking, after water, movement, breakfast, and breathing, so you're not stacking a caffeine-related BP bump onto morning sympathetic drive. On days you feel jittery or your BP is elevated, go half-caff or choose an herbal option like nettle or dandelion root tea. Both are commonly used, though high-quality trials are limited. Discuss with your clinician if you take diuretics or have allergies. The key is not no coffee ever, but caffeine that fits your physiology. PubMed. How to put this together without overhauling your life? Week 1. Make water automatic, glass by the bed, drink before anything else. Week 2. Add 5 minutes of gentle movement, cat-cow, ankle pumps, an easy hallway walk. Week 3. Upgrade breakfast, lower sodium, lab-smart protein, berries for color and fiber. Week 4. Layer in 5 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing. Weeks 5 to 8. Fine-tune caffeine timing and dose. These are small stones that shift the riverbed over time. In clinical research, bundled lifestyle changes improve blood pressure, weight, albuminuria, and, on average, creatinine. Exactly the levers that support GFR. Your numbers won't change every day, but your terrain will become friendlier to the kidney's work. Safety notes you should hear from me, not just the fine print. If you're on fluid restriction, potassium or phosphorus restriction, insulin or sulfonylureas, diuretics, ACE inhibitors/ARBs, or have advanced CKD, transplant, dialysis, heart failure, or significant BP issues, clear changes with your clinician and dietitian first. Healthy foods for one person can be risky for another based on labs. Sodium targets are population guidance. Your team may set a different goal based on BP, hyponatremia risk, or medications. Coffee guidance is individualized. Moderate intake is usually fine, but hypertension or stone formers may need limits. PubMed. Let's finish with a crisp morning checklist you can screenshot. Water first, 250 to 500 milliliters, room temperature. 5 to 15 minutes of gentle movement. Breakfast that's low in sodium, right-sized in protein, and potassium-aware for your labs. Berries are your friend. 5 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing before you open your inbox. Delay or down-titrate caffeine. Consider herbal on high BP mornings. Kidney care is a long game. You don't need perfect days, you need repeatable mornings. If you stack these habits most days, The physiology begins to tilt in your favor: steadier blood pressure, calmer stress signaling, better hydration, and eating patterns that match your labs. That's how you help creatinine move the right way and give GFR the best chance to hold steady or improve within your clinical plan.